My name is Tony Brown, and I'm a systems analyst with Texas Parks and Wildlife. Geocaching has changed my life.
Oh, look, a travel bug.
With Asperger's syndrome, it's sort of a problem with your social life. You know, you just don't fit in. You don't understand people, and people don't understand you. That has led me to have kind of a rather secluded life. You know, I just didn't kind of fit in anywhere. And so it was with geocaching that I was able to get out in the world.
Yeah.
You know, I was able to have fun and meet other geocachers who had the same interests that I did, because we all have this love of geocaching. So now I fit in somewhere, and it's just made it so much better. It's fulfilled my life more. Geocaching is sort of a treasure hunt where you use a GPS to go hunt for caches.
Oh, got it.
Geocaches are everywhere. I mean, they're all over the world. I would absolutely say I'm obsessed with geocaching. That's me, that's my geocaching avatar. The page shows all the geocaches I've found and all the different states that I've geocached in. I met all these other geocachers. That's when I found out how much fun it could be. It's opened up the doors for me. You know, I used to go to work and go home, and now I look forward to getting outside. Right over this way. It's not just about finding a box.